Hey Steve, this is Denisha Wiggins. This is my company, Sell Connect Marketing. And I want to first say thank you for giving me the opportunity to show you what I could possibly do for your business. Okay, so I went ahead and did some research, and there are some things that you need to do in order to rank against your competition. And I based you off of being in High Point because you guys, your service area is in High Point. I know you guys have different service areas throughout the Piedmont, but I know you guys are located in High Point. So I wanted to start here in High Point and show you how you can get ranked here in High Point first. And then branch out to the other areas in the Piedmont. So, of course, this is your website. The first thing I wanted to go over with you is content. Okay, usually Google likes to see between 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page. This is your home page, okay. And I'm just gonna copy all of the words and put them in my word counter. I know you guys are below, but I just want to kind of show you. And things like this don't count, right? This is not the content. It's not about your service. All right, you guys have 241 words, a little bit less, not considering these words here. And your competition in High Point is JD Mills Expert. And on their page, this is their page, they have, you guys' page is pretty similar. And they don't have much content as well. They have 410, okay? So they have more than you, and that's something that we would need to change. We would need to make sure you guys have, like I said, between the 1,500 and 2,000 words on your homepage. And just having that much content allows Google to get more information from you, which allows people to, when they're searching in Google, it gives you more chance to be searched because you have more to search, right? So on top of content, having enough content on your homepage, you guys want to make sure you have keywords as well. I saw that you guys have this here. You guys got some keywords throughout here, but you definitely need more. And that's why you need more content as well to allow you to have to put more keywords in. And basically a keyword is anything that you type into Google looking for a particular product or a particular service. Okay, so I see that you have a keyword here, Piedmont Tree Services. That would be a keyword. Okay. Again, I'm showing you how I can rank you in High Point where you guys are actually located. And I'm just going to refresh it just to make sure everything's. So this is a keyword, High Point Tree Service. Okay. So it's showing me that there are 320 people per month searching for just this one keyword. So this is a keyword that I would put into your website just a few times throughout your home page. These exact words, High Point Tree Service, because there's 320 people searching that, and you want your page to come up first, right? You want your page to come up first, or even top three. You know, that's my goal, to get you up here in top three. So you want things like High Point Tree Services. You want things like tree services in High Point. You can like switch those words around. I would just do the research to see which keywords are being searched, and then add those to your homepage. Okay, so that's the first thing I wanted to show you, is that your content needs to be between 15 and 2,000 words to get you higher ranked. And as well, you want to make sure you add in those keywords so that when people are typing it in, your page is getting located first. Okay, and then the next thing I wanted to go over with you that I saw is something called backlinks. I think you guys might be familiar with it. You guys do have some backlinks. Excuse me. It's morning. All right. So I want to go to something I use called Ahrefs, and I pay about $400 a month for this, but it's really, really good because it helps me get information on websites. It helps me keep up with competition and see what I need to change each month to help keep people's businesses ranked. Okay. So basically, a backlink is anywhere where your page is being linked from another page. Okay. But all backlinks are not equal. So, for example, you don't want an ice cream shop linking back to your page saying that you guys are the best tree services in High Point, right? Because the ice cream shop is not relevant to you guys. You know, you want to have links that are linking back to your page that are relevant. Other, you know, tree service blogs and things like that, so that they can be relevant. So here I see on Ahrefs, this is your company, Piedmont Tree Services. And you guys have 12 backlinks, so you have 12 links coming back to your page, and they're from 6 different domains. Okay, now your competition, JD Mills Expert, they have 513 backlinks in 63 domains. Okay, 63 different places saying that they're the best. And so the research that I was doing, I went in here to your competition as soon as it loads. I went into your competition and I saw all the links that I can submit your business into, so that you can have these same powerful links coming back to your page so that you can rank just as high as them. And then I would even go a little bit deeper and do more research to add find different links and make sure that they're powerful and relevant and add those to your page as well. Okay. So I would add the powerful ones from here. Expertise, that's a great one as well. I will add the powerful ones from here and as well add other powerful ones to yours so that you can rank just as high as them. It will take some time, but it's definitely doable because I can clearly see where their links are coming from. Okay, so that's backlinks. It's kind of like a popularity contest in Google's eyes. The site with the most backlinks and the most relevant backlinks wins. Okay, so we talked about content and we also went over backlinks. Okay, and then there's one more thing that that I think would be important for you to do in order to rank on your website, and that's citations. Okay, so I'm just going to refresh this again. High Point Tree Service, and I use this because this has the most searches that I found so far. I haven't done an extensive search, but it has this keyword has the most searches, so we're going to base it off of this one so that more people can see your business once we work through it. So yeah, citation is pretty much anywhere where your business name, phone number, and address. I don't see it on here. And address is on here. So you can submit your citation, which are those 3 things, to directories like BBB, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Home Service Direct, things like that. You can submit your citations to directories like those and help you get ranked here. And this is called the map pack, and I know this is very important for you to do soon because you guys, this is the first thing that people see when they type in a service. When they're looking for a service or product, this is the first thing that they see. They see your business profile. And we usually just click on the first few ones. We don't usually go to different pages. We just click on the first one. So that's important. That's very important for you guys to have enough citations where you're ranking here in the map pack. And as well, you want to be ranking here in the organic section so that you're getting seen first. So I'm just going to quickly show you how I can help you rank in that as well. This is this is where their citations are, High Point Tree Services, and this is you guys, Piedmont Tree Services. They have 2 more than you, but like I said before, they're not all equal. So I'm just going to go into theirs. And the first thing that I would definitely do with your site is to submit your information, your citations to these directories that they have. And these blue ones just mean that they're a little bit more harder to get into, but they are still capable of getting into. So I could submit yours to these as well, and then submit them to other ones that when I research and find that are powerful for your industry, I can submit yours to those as well, and that will help you rank here in the map pack, okay, and beat your competition. So yeah, the idea around these three things that I'm showing you that you need to do, is that your brand is getting found by Google, right? Because Google is constantly searching the internet, and the larger your online presence is, the more Google will trust you. Okay, so after you watch this, we can talk more, and I can even tell you more things about like how I know you have different service areas, so we can talk about how we can put those into your website so that you can rank in your other service areas as well. And as well, I do want to talk to you about display, like how on your website, um, you need to have certain things on your website, displayed on your website, how things are laid out. And that also helps you get ranked in your area or different areas as well. So yeah, again, my name is Denisha Wiggins. I hope this information was helpful for you, Steve. And and yeah, give me a call, give me a text, and we can talk further, and I can help you change things on your website to get you ranked. All right. Have a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.